एक्सप्लेनेशन की तो ये
ratio
करेक्ट
of T group की wavelength of proton and alpha particle of same energy. We know T group की wavelength of a charged particle is equal to h by root of 2 times mass of charged particle into its energy. So lambda 4 proton will be equal to h by root of
एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक चार्ज क्या है, इट इज नॉट अ क्वांट, इट इज नॉट क्वांटाइज.
into energy of proton, and lambda for alpha particle is equal to h by root of 2 times mass of alpha particle into energy of alpha particle. Given energy of proton is equal to energy of alpha particle, so अगर हम रेशियो की बात करें, if this is 1, this is 2, we will get lambda for proton divided by lambda of alpha particle will give us mass of alpha particle divided by mass of proton. And we know mass of alpha particle is equal to 4 times of mass of proton. So this will be equal to root of 4 by 1, which is equal to 2 by 1. So looking at option A is the right answer.